how is Sabrimala an issue, and why would people accept that this is an issue that they succumb to the diversion? Sabrimala, there was one court verdict that in no other, that was given earlier. That court verdict has now gone up to a 9-member bench for a review. Not only a review, along with that, many other issues were posed before that. So that judgment has gone to a 9-member bench. And the 9-member bench has at its reference point not only Sabrimala judgment, but also many other issues concerning whether the court itself, judiciary, should examine these issues of faith. Now, till the 9-member bench gives any verdict, there is no controversy. Nobody can say anything about it. Till that verdict does not come, Sabrimala issue is not on the agenda. It is sub judice. Meaning of sub judice is till the judiciary decides on it, there is nothing about it that can be discussed. So how is that an issue? The issue is being made out in order to, because the other parties do not have any issues concerning the people. They have no issues concerning the development of the state. So bring these external issues to divert attention. But they are not going to work. Because Kerala electorate, the most literate in the country, most politically conscious, knows that an issue before the court, unless decided, is not an issue for discussion. You see, the two-term thing has not been introduced now. 2 years ago, many of you have also written saying that I have been denied my third term in Rajya Sabha. Have you read it or not? And did I not say it then or not, that in my party we have this two-term norm, and I am not going to be the one to violate it. Nobody in CPM will violate a norm that we laid down many, many years ago.